What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be cleaning the 98. We finally got it back and it is running better. It was the ignition switch. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear me. It's kind of windy out here, but the ignition switch that mounts up into here, you can kind of see the wires up in there, and then it goes right in underneath of where the key actually slides in. That's what was causing all the problems, but we got it fixed. But we are going to be washing the truck because it hasn't had a bath in probably a month. So I got my stuff here. It's not the right stuff I normally clean it with, but I just grabbed some quick stuff. As far as this truck build goes, I'm going to hopefully be getting the new bed out here soon when it warms up. Getting it sandblasted and getting the frame, or the underneath of it where it mounts the frame, all coated and everything. So once time comes, we can rip that bed off, paint the new one, and put it on. So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in to the video, and yeah, we'll go from there.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. little.
Well guys, we got the big girl all clean. Hopefully that was some good footage. Sorry it's windy out here. I'm gonna try and keep you blocked, but as you can tell, she's shiny. I'm probably gonna go back and throw some tire shine on it, and probably hit like the mirrors and stuff just to make them shine. But my goal is to have this truck fully torn apart by the end of the winter, if we have the new shop up and running or built. I want to do a cowl hood. I got the whole new grill for the front end I got to put in yet. New driver's door I got to put on. The fenders I'm probably going to replace just because those have the holes in them, and I'm going to run no fender flares. The new bed's going to be thrown on there, so it's going to be a completely different truck. Probably end up going with some different wheels here shortly too when I go to do all that, just to kind of give it, I kind of want to go with like a, not really like a street truck type look, but something that kind of dresses it up a little bit more. The wheels that are on there now are Ion alloys. They're 16 by 10s. Not a bad looking wheel. It kind of gives it like an off-road type look, but I don't know if I'm gonna go to maybe like an 18 by 10, so we have a little bit bigger wheel and not so much tire, and then we'll do like a 33 still, but just to change it up a little bit. But this hood is in terrible shape. Clear coat is coming off up here. I just need to get a new cowl hood ordered. We're probably gonna end up going with a short stubby antenna, not the bold antennas, because those just are too redneck for me. Just something that's like yay big. But after that, I don't know. I gotta change out this door handle, and then we'll probably end up doing a different exhaust eventually, because back here in the back it's getting a little bit of rust on it. Sorry for the wind again, guys. Right up in there you can see some rust. And then I don't know if I'm gonna keep this big D.M.I bumper on the rear, if I'm gonna do like a off-road style bumper on the front and rear. Haven't fully decided yet, but there you go. The big girl is clean after about a month. Let me know what you guys want to see. I did end up getting, me and my dad bought a Alice Chalmers 185. It's a diesel tractor. We bought it back from my uncle, so I might do a build on that, might turbo it. So that it consists of like different exhaust manifolds, the turbo, and just setting it all up. But if you guys would like to see that, just let me know. Please share this and like the crap out of it. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers in the next 2 months. This summer we're going to be hitting a lot of car shows, truck shows. I'll probably be putting on a truck show, so if you guys are local, be sure to come out. I'll probably have more info on that shortly, so just stay tuned for it. But I want to thank you guys again for tuning in, and remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. Thanks for stopping in so we could wash the big girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.